I know that I'm obviously an advanced YouTuber, but tomorrow this freezer's going. So it is. I know that obviously where I video stuff like this, but anyway. Hot Point Ice Diamond, old British one. It's a really old model. Can we find the model number anywhere? I don't think so. Frost freeze. No, that's one different. I don't know what model it is, but it's one of the really old ones. I think it's like a first edition one or something, but anyway. You can really see the gash on that glass. So you can. I have another wash here, just a blanket and stuff. That's the heater turning off and on because the sensing's done. Looks as if it's like leaked from the door. Oh, it is leaking, I think. Is that? I can't. Oh no, it's not. It's not. It's just. It might have been, I don't know. Strange issue with the door glasses on these where it doesn't like seal fully. It's really weird. All of the appliances in this flat are not Hot Point. Then there's a Bosch XL Max fridge, and then there's this absolutely dumb oven. Like, look at the bloody, look at the grill. I mean, yeah, look at the grill. Like, Jesus. They're all really old stuff. And then there's just that Creta Hall. But yeah, that's being replaced tomorrow. I think we all know what brand's replacing that. And then there's flies in here because this flat's near a forest. See, they get flies quite a bit. Got the Creta, I mean not the Creta, the white neck on. I think the filter's been cleaned, I don't know. I might replace that with a Beko heat pump one of the days. It's 3 kg dryer and 10 kg washer don't go well with each other. Please excuse the fact that there's puppy pads everywhere. There is. Well, it does have a pop. So yeah, that's starting to heat up nicely now. Well, you know what I mean. Quite a stain sheet in there. Probably should have stuck it in some vanish, to be fair. Hopefully I won't get a copyright strike. Surely to God, there must be like some sort of date or something on that. Like the Bosch has something on the side. Don't know if this has anything. I think Bosch has like, don't know. Really weird. see what I mean? Swear to God,